To reinstate your Poshmark account, follow these steps. First, understand why your account was deactivated, as this will help you avoid making the same mistake in the future. Common reasons for deactivation include violating Poshmark's terms of service, selling prohibited items, or engaging in suspicious activity. Next, contact Poshmark support directly through their website or the app, and explain your situation. Provide as much detail as possible, including your account information and the reason you believe your account was deactivated. Be honest and take responsibility for any mistakes you may have made. Poshmark will review your account and may request additional information to verify your identity or clarify any issues. Be patient and responsive to their requests, as this will help speed up the reinstatement process. If your account was deactivated due to a minor issue, Poshmark may reinstate it immediately. However, if the issue is more serious, it may take several days or even weeks to resolve. In some cases, Poshmark may require you to agree to certain terms or conditions before reinstating your account. To prevent your account from being deactivated in the future, make sure to familiarize yourself with Poshmark's terms of service and community guidelines. Only sell items that are allowed on the platform, and always follow best practices for buying and selling. Additionally, keep your account information up to date, including your email address and phone number, so that Poshmark can contact you if there are any issues with your account. By following these steps and being proactive, you can increase your chances of getting your Poshmark account back and continuing to buy and sell successfully on the platform. It is also important to note that Poshmark has an appeals process in place. If your account was deactivated in error, you can appeal the decision and provide additional information to support your case. This can be done through the Poshmark support page, and a team will review your appeal and make a decision. By understanding the reasons for deactivation, contacting support, and following best practices, you can reinstate your Poshmark account and continue to use the platform with confidence.